Recently, I have undertaken 3 new projects in modifying these 2 dresses plus another long maxi dress. And these 2 dresses, I purchased this pink one some years ago and yellow one last year, but until now I didn't wear it. For these 2 dresses, I decided to add sleeves and straps. So these dresses at this moment in time, they are strapless and rather not in very good shape, especially the yellow one, as it keeps dropping on me. They're both very beautiful. I really like the fabric of both of them, and they're more or less similar with lots of layers there, and the fabrics are just amazing. I have purchased both of them purely because of the fabrics. So they are the perfect short summer dresses you can wear near the beach, at the seaside, or in a very hot country, but not in London. So I decided first to draw what I want. This kind of dresses, you find them around being called Bordeaux style dresses. Well, in the past they used to be called bergère dresses, as Bordeaux started wearing this kind of dresses in the 60s. So the measurements are as follows. The straps are 5 centimeters in width and long 55 centimeters. The sleeves are 20 centimeters in length, but I'll be cutting them as 30 centimeters, and the sleeve circumference is 56 centimeters. So very easy to do. I started with the yellow dress, as you see here, and I cut the fabric. I decided to use only these needles. I'm using this method because I cut fabric since I was in my early teens. Check my other videos where I show you how to cut dresses, long dresses, trousers, shirts, skirts, and so on. So I tend to make my items from scratch if I find a beautiful fabric and I'm inspired by the fabric, or if my bag is not very bad and I prefer to modify, as I'm doing with this dress. And here is the dress as you can see it in its final shape. So I used a sewing machine, I attached the sleeves to the dress, the straps, and here it is. I'm really pleased the way it looks like now. I'll be able to wear it wherever I go, at the seaside. I'm a bit lazy here in putting the dress on me, so I just put the sleeves on me only purely because I filmed this on the hottest day of the year. Have you seen my mask? Check the other video teaching you how to do masks if you like this kind of stuff and if you like wearing and not purchasing those medical masks. And here I'm doing the pink fabric for the pink dress. So I'm cutting it respecting the other measurements I mentioned to you for the yellow dress. Here is the pink dress, which looks equally cute, and I follow the same method as I did with the yellow dress. And and I am really happy. I have not attached the straps yet because I can wear the dress without the straps, and looks very, very beautiful, as you can see again here. And here is my face mask once again, if you want to check that video. And the last dress is a long red maxi dress which I purchased from Boohoo recently, and for this dress I'm adding two types of Indian inspired haberdashery which I purchased on eBay from Indian sellers, as they import from India these gorgeous haberdasheries. I keep buying in bulk for a long time. I buy 10-20 meters or 10-20 yards, and is much better value for money than buying the haberdashery at the shops in central London. So check eBay for this. For example, one roll of the big haberdashery, I think it cost me some £20, and the other one, I think it was around £10-12 for 10 meters, I think, each of them. So great value for money. Look at them, how gorgeous they are. And I'm going to attach them with needles first to the dress. The dress is going to be cut in the middle in order to have an opening, and afterwards you're going to see the dress at the end, how it looks like. So as ever, I hope all this information was of help to you. It inspired you too to create your own projects and modify your dresses. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.